Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to replace the terminal posts on a crossover. I'm going to do the positive first. Then we're going to put a brand new locking washer on. A washer, a locking washer, a nut, and a locking nut. Now we're going to torque this down with a ratchet, but not very tight. Just tight enough to compress the locking washer till it gets kind of snug. There, that's all we need right there. Then I'm going to put the locking nut on the top of that. I'm just going to torque that by hand, and there we go. Now, we've got a terminal post on. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons.